Welcome to Easy Meals with Chris. Today I'm cooking mac and cheese. Pause the video to get a good look at the ingredients. Start by boiling the noodles according to the instructions, but cook them al dente as they will finish cooking in the final steps. I like to add 2 cups of chicken stock to the water to get the noodles a little bit more flavor, but you can skip this if you wish. I use cheddar cheese as the main cheese and a small amount of mozzarella. You can use any cheese you like, but feel this is pretty standard. Try to shred your own cheese, as pre-shredded cheeses are coated so they don't stick together in the bag. I am chopping some cooked bacon. I will add this or sausage in my mac and cheese for more flavor. You can also add onions or anything you feel will add to it. You want to scramble 1 egg and then add that to the milk. Combine it really quick. This will give your mac and cheese that gooey cheese when it cooks. You want to use an 8-cup baking dish. Shape doesn't really matter that much. Spread oil inside to prevent any sticking when you're cooking. We will do 3 layers, so only use 1/3 of the ingredients for every layer. We start with the macaroni and then add the cheddar and mozzarella cheeses, then our bacon, and a light sprinkling of salt and pepper. You will then dab some butter across the top. You could also layer it on each layer, but it doesn't change the taste and it will mix as it cooks. Finally, you will pour in all the milk mixture. This should fill it almost to the very top. Pat it down lightly. When it cooks in the oven, the milk will mix with all the cheeses and make it an excellent cheese sauce. Cook in a 325-degree oven for about 45 minutes. You want everything boiling nicely. There will be a small cheese crust on top. If you do not want that crust, just cover it with some aluminum foil and it will stop that from browning. Once it's done cooking, scoop it out and enjoy. Thanks for watching and have a great meal.